Hi guys, it's Simon C. Welcome to this new AI radar with my 3 favorite artificial intelligence news for today. China's worries about the AI race, advanced AI and machine learning in US drones, Japan to put AI in drones. The Verge contributor James Vincent recently reported that experts and politicians in China are worried that a rush to integrate artificial intelligence into weapons and military equipment could accidentally lead to war between nations. According to a new report published by US national security think tank Center for New American Security (CNAS), Chinese officials increasingly see an arms race dynamic in artificial intelligence as a threat to global peace. Gregory C. Allen, an adjunct senior fellow at CNAS and author of the new report, told The Verge that the operation of drones has become increasingly automated in recent years. China is being more aggressive than the US about introducing greater levels of autonomy closer to lethal use of force. He says, like in the Blowfish A2 drone which China exports internationally. The problem with drones, adds Vincent, is that since these machines are controlled remotely, there's no human life at risk, so militaries are dismissive in their use, independent of whether they're the ones that are sending them out or the side that is shooting them down. So it's not clear how either side will interpret certain behaviors. Allen adds that countries around the world have yet to define the norms of armed conflict for autonomous systems, and the longer that continues, the greater the risk for unintentional escalation. Chris Osborne for Warrior Maven reports how Captain Pete Small, Program Manager, Unmanned Maritime Systems, Naval Sea System Command, told reporters at the Surface Naval Association Symposium that they are integrating large USVs and medium USVs into the architecture as large part of a future surface combatant force. These are unmanned maritime systems. We are developing a single integrated combat system shared across the entire combat portfolio, Small said. Autonomy and human-led command and control system form the basis of the Navy's rapidly evolving multi-year Ghost Fleet project to engineer a fleet of coordinated interoperable surface drones able to share time-sensitive combat information in real time across the force, says Osborne. In development now for many years by the Office of Naval Research and Naval Sea Systems Command, Ghost Fleet is engineered to leverage the most advanced AI and machine learning technologies available. The intent is to enable swarms of synchronized drones to capture, organize and disseminate key targeting and sensor data, such as the location of mines, submarine surface vessels, or incoming enemy attacks from China. China Daily's contributor Kai Hong reports that the Japanese government will launch the process of selecting a drone in 2019. Here Hong writes in terms of fiscal years which start on April the 1st. The country plans to include 3 maritime surveillance drones by 2023 and 20 more drones after that as a part of the country's efforts to add artificial intelligence and drones to its defense capabilities, according to Japanese media. Japan is joining other global powers in competition for developing and deploying artificial intelligence in military context, specifies Hong. Tokyo has released an AI technology strategy with with a three-phase plan to achieve a true AI ecosystem. Building on successes in robotics, the Japanese government envisions joining artificial intelligence with other advanced technologies such as the Internet of Things, autonomous vehicles, and the blending of cyberspace and physical space. In 2021, Hong, Japan's air self-defense force, will deploy the US-made Global Hawk unmanned aerial vehicle and establish a special unit to handle the drones, and an underwater drone will be developed for the maritime ADF to gather information. Japan's new defense guidelines, which Prime Minister Shinzo Abe's cabinet approved in December, envisage the establishment of space and cyber defense units, while the application of AI will be expanded. Japan wants to use advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence in part to compensate for its low birth rate and population decline. The country will also set up an unmanned aircraft department to enable permanent control of its airspace and information gathering in remote regions. It's peculiar the interest of Chinese media to what their Japanese neighbor is doing with artificial intelligence. Okay guys, it's all for today. See you next time with AI Radar. Bye.